almost right. Go back to the way you was. Back to the way you was. If we had a plate, it'd make it better. That way she'd know how to stand. Now look, don't twist your body. Don't twist your body towards me. Okay. Look, leave your body like this. Okay. Put your hands on there.